and that was from her collection. So that's one of the pictures in her collection that she donated to us. I might just point out that at this point, the Brown bequest makes up about a fifth of our collection at the moment. And general, well, we have the collection valued about 8 years ago, 5, 6, 7 years ago, and around, I think the total value of the collection was then estimated at 40 million. So it's, over the years, things have escalated quite substantially. But at the moment, the East London municipality have a sizable investment here that we have to look after for the people of East London. And so then, Amron died, 1947, and the next year, between the municipality and the Art Society,